Here's a delicious home-cooked, homegrown meal.
Corn from the farm, green beans, and pork chops. Of course, the oranges are not from the farm. And eggs. The eggs are, yeah, the eggs and the corn are also from here.
Every day.
How's your pork chops, Brianna?
Perfect.
Yum.
They're good, aren't they? Grace is getting her second one. These gentlemen are abstaining, and she says she doesn't like them.
She don't like the pepper.
It's okay though. I put a lot of pepper on them. There's all of Brownie's trim fat, not very much, in the crock pot to render. Joyful's baby and the neighbor's dog. I got a bale of hay. It was kept outside, so I pulled off the outer layers that I'll use as bedding. The cow might eat a lot of this, but the goat's pretty darn picky. That may look like a lot of hay in my truck, but here is the majority of the bale is solid and good inside, even though it was out in the rain. Try to avoid hitting any kids or chickens or barns. I do, however, want to hit this fence right here. I want to see it move. There it is. Because I want to unload this hay over it here in a pile and then put it into the pig stalls over here in the barn. Those pigs are eating grass. Around the other side of the barn, I'll show you. I moved a fence out of that area and gave them a little bigger space. I'll try not to spook them. Hey piggies, hey piggies. Let them know I'm coming here. There's this nice thick grass here. And I'm actually gonna move the fence out just a couple inches here so they can get to more of that grass. I saw the grass and I said, those pigs would love to get at that grass. So we're just making some more of that available. Yeah, that's some good grass, huh? Eat up. Sweeten up that bacon. The grass I picked will go to these guys in here who have no access. You guys have, it's like a pig pen in here, you guys. You're making such a mess. This bedding is not mucky, but it's crossed the line of where I want it. So I'm gonna just pile in some new bedding, and they need new water. Sometimes it's hard knowing who you can get trusted information from. And I found some really good sources of information on hogs and pigs online. One really good one is Sugar Mountain Farm blog. And there I learned that if you put your pigs in deep bedding made of hay, the pigs will actually eat their bedding. And I found that to be true. Some of the pigs we killed the other day, their bellies were full. They had not been fed for 24 hours. When I cut them open, the bellies were full of hay. Another great source of info I found online, one of my very favorites on butchery, but more than butchery, on farm-based food, specifically meat and cured meats, is the Farmstead Meatsmith. I have listened to a ton of their podcasts, I think they're all on YouTube, and watched a lot of their videos. I'm gonna put a link in this video right here. And I want you to go watch this. Now, don't dismiss it. This isn't just for people who want to butcher meat. This is for people who eat. It's a little mini documentary, and there's a couple others connected to it. Go find them all. They're short. It's amazing. It's going back in history, giving us perspective on our food, on our meat today. You gotta watch this. Farmstead Meatsmith, probably my top pick for learning about cured meats, butchering, and perhaps more importantly, a holistic philosophy of meat. Check them out. Wait, guys, where are you taking this?
To make our rocks back in town.
But there's already a lot in the yard. There's a bunch in the pasture. Go get those first. Take a few and go do your project. If you come back, bring shoes.
Okay, we're making them.
That's better.
What?
That's better, right, dude? Yeah. Happier pigs. There's a turkin in there. I'm not sure I'd risk my neck messing around with those pigs, you turkin. I'm gonna head up to the garden here, see what Bree's up to. There's the goats in the back pasture out there. And here's Brianna planting in the garden. How's it going in the garden, girl?
Slightly frustrating. It's the time of year where like you've planted a lot of things, but like your garden still looks barren. So you wonder, will it really grow and produce good?
Well, the strawberries are looking good.
They look okay. They're the onions are looking good.
Strawberries look great to me.
And they have flowers on them. I just replanted the peas for the 3rd time. The crows have been getting them. So I really want sugar.
The rhubarb's coming back, even though we put a path on it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I know. Should I just let him be happy? Because this is
Wilder is climbing into a bucket of sand.
like, do I allow this monstrosity to occur? Because this is like every mother's nightmare.
He's trying to climb into 2 buckets of sand at the same time. Oh, buddy, you need a little help out? Here you go. Here, I'll put you right there. There.
For all you worried about the baby, these buckets are full of sand, not water. There's just some water on top.
Get that chicken out of the garden. Open the gate, buddy, quick. Get that naked neck scratcher out of the garden. Naked neck. Got it.
Mama for the win.
Yay. What are y'all planting?
This one's mustard. Greens. They're just greens. We're doing a bunch of greens. And then next we will do lettuces and spinach. Well, it's like best laid plans. I only got a few things planted. I can't plant again until Saturday, and that's without your help. So, anyways, I have to go make dinner before everybody falls apart. I just want to get it done. But you know, I think a little bit every day, even if that's all we can do, it's okay. But wouldn't it be nice to get a babysitter and just like work hard for a whole day?
Would be fun.
We should do that.
Yay! It's an egg rainbow.
Her dream has finally come true.
Yes,
Well,
it
I'm
has.
missing a lot of colors, but I don't really want to. Like, I'm so torn. Like, I want to pay the money and get my missing colors, but then it's also like, I mean, we have a lot of free chickens, so because we have incubators and we have chickens that are hatching out.
But look at those. Those are beautiful. You got green, white, light brown, darker brown, and dark brown. So pretty.
I know. I have to admit, I actually did. This lady locally just hatched out a bunch of olive eggers. And they're really cheap, so I said I would buy some. And I'm gonna stick them under our mama, because hers are a couple days old. So I'm gonna stick them under that mama.
You have dirt on your face from the garden.
I know. I have dirt in my fingernails. I've washed myself, but.
Well, folks, it's been another great day in the homestead. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that.